In this video, I will show you how to log into Santander online banking. Doing this is fairly simple. What you want to do is just go to santanderbank.com in any browser, and from there on the website in the top right you will find a login button. Go and click on that button, and then you will need two things. First, your user ID and then your password. Now, if you don't know one of these, you can click Forgot User ID or Forgot Password, and then it will take you to a page where you can then go and actually get that back. So you can enter your social security number, date of birth, verify it's you, and then you will be able to get your ID. Now, if you do know what it is, just enter it right here, and that's for the online banking. If you want to, for example, log into your business online banking, you can just click on the drop down and then go and select it and click OK, and then from there also log in. And in that case, you also need to enter an organization ID. So they may also send you a one-time password to your email or phone number to verify that it is you. So now you know how to log into Santander online banking. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.